Hey, this is Digital Dave with another cryptocurrency and blockchain update. Reporting semi-live from the beautiful island of Koh Samui, Thailand. I call this Fantasy Island because there's so many cool things that happen here. So many fun things, interesting people, fun things to do, beautiful beaches. Even with this whole shutdown, it's still a great place to be. Hopefully you guys can come out here sometime and visit or come to the party next year. I hope they open up the borders by next year. I'm sure they will. So this Crazy for Crypto's member appreciation party should happen, definitely should happen next year, 2021. I don't know the month. Before I said it's probably going to be May or June. We'll see how that goes, but that's a tentative month, but next year looks like it's going to happen. It all depends on how they open up the borders, or when they open up the borders, and if they're going to let people just come in, or if they're going to like do it in stages or whatever. That all depends on the whole travel part of it. So stay tuned for that. Again, this is going to be a free party. It's going to be a member appreciation party for Crazy for Crypto's Patreon members. So join if you haven't joined already, and don't join just to come to the party for free. You should join because there's a lot of good information in there. For example, I've been writing about PolkaDOT, ticker DOT, and I told my members, I said, buy it, buy it, buy it. I had quite a few posts on it up until the launch. It was for sale on Kraken on the 18th. Just a few days ago. Then Binance surprisingly listed DOT as well. This was after the devaluation from 100 to 1. And I told my group, I said, this is now in my top 10 cryptocurrency holdings, PolkaDOT. The reason why I believe DOT's going to be huge. This is like buying PolkaDOT at the current price right now. It's about $3.50. I just saw it just really start to take off. I was like, dang it, I was hoping I could have done this video before the big hockey stick spike in the price of PolkaDOT, because it was like down to $275 or $280. I was like, wow, that's a great deal. I said, I told my members, if you can get PolkaDOT for $3, you're doing really, really, really well. $280 is a smoking deal. At the time of this video, it's about $3.50. But this is like buying Ethereum back in 2016 for $3. In my investment opinion, PolkaDOT is the new Ethereum. There's a lot of Ethereum killers, and like Cardano. Cardano is a quote-unquote an Ethereum killer. I still like Cardano. I'm not selling my Cardano to buy PolkaDOT or anything else. Cardano is going to go crazy in price, in my investment opinion. But PolkaDOT at $3 or $3.50 or wherever the price is, wherever it may be at the time you watch this video, I believe is a really, really good deal. I see nothing but big numbers for PolkaDOT. And if you want all the information about PolkaDOT, consider becoming a Crazy for Crypto's Patreon member. It's patreon.com/crazy4cryptos, crazy number 4 cryptos. So I'm going to have all the information about PolkaDOT, about storage, staking, all the parachain information. PolkaDOT has its own ecosystem, so I'll be writing about that. We have some inside sources that know which of these parachains to invest in. So for now, just if you want to keep it simple, just buy PolkaDOT. PolkaDOT under $4 is a good deal. Okay, you may not ever see under $3 again, but under $4 is a really good deal. So my investment opinion, get some PolkaDOT. You can get it on Binance.com, you can get it on Kraken, you can get it on Huobi, and a couple other exchanges, but I like Binance. That's my favorite exchange. You can also buy PolkaDOT on our recommended crypto broker. Link in the description below. This broker based in Melbourne, Australia, can buy any crypto that you can possibly think of, including PolkaDOT. They can buy thousands of different cryptos for a very, very small fee. If you're a client of Crazy for Cryptos, if you're a member, if you're a viewer of this channel, you'll get a special 30% off all trading fees if you follow the link below. Again, you can buy virtually any crypto with them. You send them a wire transfer, they can buy crypto with your local currency, fiat currency. You can send them crypto and they can swap it for you. They can sell it for you. They can, if it's time for you to cash out, they'll sell the crypto for you into your currency and wire the money back into your account. This is how you on-ramp and how you cash out. They do everything, so really, really good. I'm not a big Coinbase fan. Coinbase has too much downtime. They go down when you need them the most. When Bitcoin drops or Bitcoin skyrockets, people want to get on there to buy or sell, and they have bottlenecking issues, and they've had years to try to fix it, and they haven't been able to fix it. With our recommended broker, they don't have downtime. They have access to scores of exchanges, and they also use OTC. They have over-the-counter connections to buy any crypto. So this is really important, guys, really important. So I recommend signing up with them. Even if you're not ready to use them right away, go ahead and sign up before the bull market comes in, because when everybody starts using this broker, it's going to take you a while to get approved. Right now it takes about 2 days to get approved for an account. You're going to send the typical KYC information, but just like with any exchange. So there's that. Speaking of Coinbase, I suspect Coinbase is going to list PolkaDOT. It's a matter of time. This year, probably this year, I believe DOT's going to be on Coinbase. Again, I don't like Coinbase, but I like the fact what they can do to a price, because this is where all the new investors, they usually get onto Coinbase first, and it's so easy to buy. But I believe PolkaDOT's going to be on there, and I still believe Theta and or Digibyte is going to be on Coinbase this year too. Expect to see big prices for those two cryptos when it gets listed on Coinbase. Recently, speaking of Theta, I saw I was in the Theta Telegram group, one of them. There's a couple of them, I believe. This might be Theta Traders or something like that. And someone posted an image. They had Mitch Liu, who was the CEO of Theta Network, says, appreciate all you guys. I'm paraphrasing. Appreciate all you guys sticking with us through thick and thin. Looking forward to Theta token going 100x, and he says, I'm really looking forward to seeing Theta go 1000x. And I think Theta is going to go to the moon. I think it's going to go a lot higher than $20. I still think $20 is on par for next year. Now, is Theta going to go? If Theta goes 1000x, that's going to be $400 per token. Will Theta do 1000x by next year? Probably not. But will Theta do 1000x in the next few years? I say it's very possible. They're so unique at what they're doing. Nobody's doing anything close to what they're doing. Reducing CDN costs. Just wait till they announce a YouTube partnership, or a Netflix or Hulu. Wait till these partnerships come into play. You're going to see Theta just go crazy. I think Theta is going to be $2 by the end of this year. $1 to $2. I think it's pretty conservative. So I expect Theta to do about a 4x by the end of this year. This is my investment guess. There's anyone. So anyways, get some Theta if you don't have any already. Get 10,000 of them. You can run a Guardian node. I've got details in my Patreon how you can do it so cheaply and efficiently without having to run your own node in your house, using power, using your own computer. And it takes maintenance. You have to tinker with it too. We found a shortcut. You pay a one-time fee, and you're hooked up to a Guardian node, and you can earn TFuel. Someone asked me, what do you think the price of TFuel is going to be? I don't know where the price of TFuel is going to be, but I can tell you I believe it's going to go to about a 20 to 1 to Theta. So if Theta is 21, so if Theta is $100, TFuel will be 5. If Theta is $20, TFuel will be 1. This is my opinion on that. Right now, I haven't checked the ratio lately, but what I saw recently is about 35 to 1 ratio. I think TFuel is a pretty good buy right now at about a penny. It's been pretty resistant to this whole downturn that we've had. I like TFuel. I like Theta a lot better. If you're going to get both, if you want to keep it simple, just buy Theta. If you want to spread your quote-unquote risk a little bit, I would say buy 90 to 10 or 80 to 20 Theta to TFuel. I think the TFuel is pretty undervalued. So I'm all about undervalued assets. TFuel, Theta, PolkaDOT. Chainlink, yeah, I can't make a video without talking about Chainlink. Yeah, it's dropped quite a bit, and I saw people on Twitter, yeah, Chainlink is nothing. It's they moved all their profits into so and so and so and so. And like these people, some of these people I see on Twitter, they're trying to turn this whole crypto thing into a casino. I call them casino traders, and that's not how you make money in the long term, and that's not how you keep money in the long term too. You make it gradually. And you don't swing trade occasionally maybe, but you don't day trade, you don't swing trade. You just keep buying, and you buy the dips on a project that you really believe in. You just keep buying the dips, And that's how you make generational wealth. I'm seeing some of these people, I'm saying they're not going to be able to keep their wealth if they're actually making money. I'm sure they are, but there's some smart people out there. Don't get me wrong. I'm just trying to convey that I want my viewers, I want you guys, and I want my clients and my members, I want you to be able to create generational wealth that's going to last you for ages. And the cryptos that I like are going to be around for a long time, in my opinion. So just keep that in mind. It's not all about trying to get a quick 10x and then pop out and then do something else. This is not how you create long-term wealth, in my opinion. So what do I know? I don't know anything. All right. So, all right, get you some PolkaDOT. I'll have, in my Patreon, I'm going to have all the information about PolkaDOT. I'll be covering that quite a bit, about storage and all the other good stuff. But right now, you can buy it on Binance. You can buy it on a recommended crypto broker, and Kraken, and a couple other exchanges who will be, I believe, like I said. I'll put it in the description. I'll put a link to all the exchanges that you can buy PolkaDOT from. And I think it's going to do well. Don't give up on Cardano. Cardano's been so asleep lately. Just wait, though. That's going to wake up, and people's going to be chasing that. I say if you're going to buy, speaking undervalue, to get some ADA. Get some Cardano, because it's been pretty quiet, and I think it's a sleeper, and I think it's going to pop. And who knows, Cardano and or PolkaDOT could eventually flip Ethereum. So think about that. All right, guys, this is Digital Dave. Give this video a like. I know I haven't done a video in a while. It's been a week, and I apologize. I'm trying to get these out quicker. I'm so busy. I'm just trying to manage my time. And someone actually told me I don't have a time management issue. I have an energy management issue. And I thought it was really interesting. So I'm going to be having a consult with this lady that's in my group next week. Hopefully she can share some good information for me, and maybe we can work something out. But I would like to get more videos out in the future. I keep saying that, but I would like to get more. I like making videos. I really do. I just finding the time to do it. And it takes a lot of editing and all that other stuff. Enough of me yapping. All right, guys, give this video a like. Share it with your group, please. And follow this channel. Give me a sub. If you give me a sub, I really appreciate it. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any future update, because I promise I'm going to have more in the future. So, and try to get them out a lot quicker. This is DD. I'll see you in the next video.